Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Rakesh and welcome to my channel. I create practice English video. So today I'm going to show you a little bit demo like how actually I practice at home. So right now I'm in the kitchen. You can see it's my kitchen. Okay. So now, so the thing is that today there is a feast nearby our village. So actually everyone actually went there to have the feast, and now today actually I'm not in mood to eat rice. So now I'm going to make chapati for myself and my father and my mom. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the process and how you can speak in English every situation, how you can actually convert every situation in English. Okay, so first of all, this is our RO. Okay, so I switch on the tab, RO tab. So water is filling in the pot. Now I'm going to take out the result. So let me keep this camera here because it's very difficult to shoot video. So I'm going to take out. So okay, so what is it called? So this is, in Hindi it's called pra. Okay, atte ki pra, but in English it's called platter. So I have taken out the platter. Now this is first step. Now so, and this is wheat flour. So I have also taken wheat flour, and yeah. Okay, so today actually I don't have a mixed flour because one time we actually eat mixed flour, like in millets. We actually mix millet in wheat flours. So one time we eat mixed flour roti. So but now today I'm going to make only wheat flour chapati. Okay, flour. So what is the exact pronunciations of flour? Flour, flour. Both are same. Flour, not flour. Flour is flour. Okay, so you can see in dinner time actually I eat only 5 chapatis, sometimes 4 and 5. So I actually make chapati by counting. So you can see I just count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is for me. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is for my mom, and another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is for my dad. So I am going to, this is like a sheep. It's a sieve. Okay, chani, atta ki chani like sieve. So I am going to spinning. Okay, this is leftover. We can say flour. I have put it in the earth. So earth is like chula. So I can show you. So this is hearth. So in village we actually use this hearth to make chapati because it's not safe to make chapati on gas. That is the natural thing if we actually make chapati on hearth. So now I'm going to knead the flour. So that is called knead. So I'm going to knead the flour. Okay, so I'm going to mix water and I'm mixing it. I'm mixing the flour. So it requires more water. So at home, when you actually do work at home, so you can actually speak English with yourself. Like I'm going to knead the flowers. I'm going to take out the flowers. Okay. I have to knead the flour on the in the platter. Okay, parat mein. Okay, so that is the thing. It will take some time, so I will show you the next process, but first let me knead it. If you knead the flour properly, then your chapati will puff, फूलेंगे, ठीक है. Maximum people think that in kitchen work, actually, boys actually cannot do kitchen work. Maximum people think boy cannot. This is not a boy's work. This is not a man job. But I can tell you, make everything. I think we should try everything. How to make chapati and how to make food. So my friend, you can see here. So I have kneaded the flour. Now, what is my next job? So my next job to ignite the fire. So this is hearth. So in village, maximum people actually make food, make chapati, and yeah, maximum people make chapati on hearth because it's a natural method to make chapati on hearth. So I am going to ignite the fire. Take out stick. That is stick. So I'm I am putting stick into the hearth. Okay. So I'm taking help to ignite the fire with this paper, so I can ignite the fire easily. So I have lit the fire. Now you can see. So let the sticks wood burning. So some ember actually will collect after burning the stick. So I will make chapati with it. So now I have put, this is called griddle, tawa. So I have put griddle on the hearth. Hearth means chula. And this is called roti maker. You can see this is a rolling pin, okay, to roll the chapati. And this is called board, roti maker board, we can see. So now I'm going to make the chapati. First of all, I have to make small ball, and then little bit I have to shape that ball little bit in a flat shape. Then I actually roll the chapati on this board and put on the griddle. I bake it, then I put chapati on the ember to bake it properly. So that is the everyday kitchen English. If you make chapati, if you make dinner, if you make food, then you can speak English with yourself in front of camera.